Morning, guys. Kimo Durban, some lodge. I came with some guy from Pumalanga with bank. We came for Durban July, and then Mabane, after parties and whatnot, we had an argument, and then guy decided to leave Kamasa without saying he's leaving me behind. So now check out time. The room service comes, but what's happening? Why are you not checking out? Then I tell them, no, get little more to. He has to check out, but he checked out, guys. Like I'm here. I'm stranded. I've been crying since morning for help, but no one is helping. So lift. I'm not asking for any money. All I'm asking for is lift. I don't have any money. Lift. Even if it's Joburg, I'll go make plans in Joburg. Even if it's in Mpumalanga, I'll go make plans that side. Yeah. So please, 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 if anyone sees this and they're still around Joburg, around Durban, I'll really appreciate if like Antusha. Yeah, please, I'll appreciate.
I think it's better to cry at a hotel. I think it's better to cry at least she's crying at the hotel room. Oh, Abantwana is windy, guys. As scary as it is right now in South Africa, with so many cases of like human trafficking, kidnappings, the killings of women, people are still making decisions like this. Like the way that she's talking about this guy. I came to Durban with some guy. We are at some hotel. She sounds like she doesn't even know the guy's name. Like if I asked her what's the guy's name and surname, she wouldn't be able to tell me. I came here with some guy. She's not saying I came here with my boyfriend. I came here with my husband. I came here with my friend. No, I came here with some guy. Nizo traffic. You know, like what happened to her being left there without a lift to go home. Actually, it's better than a lot of other things that could have happened to her. Because that man could have done worse. He could have even sent men there. Because some will take money from other men and say, here is a hotel key. Give me some money. Nanzia inyamela payana, a hotel room. Because abantu. And this one looks as old as me. It's not even the young ones where I'm like, young people, please listen. You can't even say that with this one. Because this one looks as old as me. What were you doing at some hotel with some guy? Now you're stranded. Also, if you go anywhere, how do you live like a province? Your province, you live and you go to another province and you don't even have money enough to take a taxi, a bus, a plane ticket home. Because wherever you go, at least in your bank account, there should be enough to get you home. Forget about the entertainment, the food, but just the money to get you home. You should have it in your bank account. How do you go all the way to another province and you don't have money to get home? People are not loving their lives. Okay. They don't. Then when something happens, now we're out here trying to figure out, oh, girl, there's this story of this girl. She went to Durban in July and she never made it home. What the hell happened? She made stupid decisions. How would you go to Durban with some guy? I hope she got a lift home. But I know that wasn't going to be easy because everybody was, people had plans. People were flying to Durban, okay? So now who's going to be? Most people were not driving to Durban. So who's going to give you a lift? Anyway, you guys, take care of yourselves, okay? Rather cry there in your bedroom at home than be crying in some hotel with the guy that has already checked out. You know. The Mutu has checked out of the hotel and now you are still there. Izinto zikaJuly ke. Izinto zeDurban July list. Hey guys, take care of yourselves. Don't be going with some guy to some hotel at some city in some province, okay? Don't do that to yourself. At least if you do that, have some money in some bank account so that you can take some taxi home. You know?